Thank you for visiting with us at The Patrick and Stephanie Show, where we feature tips and tricks to help you get found, get noticed, and raise your brand awareness. Every Monday and Friday, we share our digital marketing tips on how to increase your online brand awareness. Patrick here. Today, I am pleased to feature rarely before seen insights as to what causes Google to be the most popular search engine. And also, how Google provides relevant search results for you. Google usually returns results faster than other search engines. Discover new sites faster than any other engine, so you can search for the latest news and latest sites, and load more sites overall. By using a proprietary scoring approach, Google can provide more accurate results than many of the other existing search engines that are currently in use and those that preceded it in the market. Google's algorithm takes many factors into account, such as page quality, link count, and relevance to perform a custom search. Why Google is the premier search engine? Google's success is believed to stem from its desire and ability to deliver the highest quality results to every user. Understanding the purpose of the search and finding the most accurate and relevant websites that match each query have allowed Google to stand out from the competition. These personalized results have led Google to become the primary means of local search. Google provides users with the best results based on both the intent of the search and the geographic proximity of where the search was performed. In the case of a specific query, out of 890,000 searches on Google, only 30,000 resulted in a user clicking on the results website. A Google search result will show many results, but from the user's point of view, the information is spread across multiple sites. How Google can help you narrow your search. However, Google can help you narrow your search through specialized searches. For example, if you start a search and click on a link on Target, Google will know that you prefer to shop on Target and may provide related Target search lists. Google strives to provide relevant results for individual users and hopes that search results will vary from computer to computer, to match the search results customized for each user. The takeaways. Like all search engines, Google uses special algorithms to determine search results. Also, like most search engines, Google uses automated programs called spiders or crawlers to generate search results. Google Search also provides many different options for custom searches, using symbols to include, exclude, specify or request specific search operations. The Google search engine also provides specialized interactive experiences, such as flight status and package tracking, weather forecasts, currency conversion, units, definitions, and more. Let me know how you like my podcast on rarely before seen insights as to what causes Google to be the most popular search engine. Please share your sentiments in the comments section. Please like, comment, and subscribe to our video. We deeply appreciate your doing so and hope that you enjoy our sharing our information concerning tips and tricks to help you get found, get noticed, and raise your brand awareness. Stephanie and Patrick signing off until next time.